Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Auphonic for Loudness Normalization to Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. Open Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the audio clip you want to normalize. Go to the File menu at the top left. Choose Export and then Media. In the export settings, select your desired format. Find the output location and name your file. Click on the Export button to create the file. Open your web browser and navigate to the Auphonic website. Log into your Auphonic account or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, click on New Production. Upload the audio file you just exported from Premiere Pro. Set your desired loudness target in the Auphonic settings. You can typically set it to -16 LUFS for broadcast or -14 LUFS for streaming. Adjust any other settings like encoding or file format as needed. Click on the Start Production button to initiate processing. Wait for Auphonic to finish processing your audio file. Once completed, download the normalized audio file. Return to Premiere Pro and re-import the processed audio file. Replace the original audio clip with the newly normalized file. Check the audio levels to ensure they meet your requirements. Now you are ready to continue editing your project with optimized audio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.